Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about type conversion and also what's known as coercion, which is just another way to say implicit type conversion. Type conversion is all about changing the type of a value from one kind to another. To put it simply, if you've got a string variable and you want to turn it into a number, that's when you need type conversion. Let's understand with a practical example. Begin by making a variable called number1 and put a string in it. Then, create another variable, number2, and this time, store a number. Now, we want to add number1 and number2, let's create a result variable. Add these two variables like this, number1 plus number2. To see the result, let's use the console log. When you run this, you'll notice it displays 324. But, in reality, it's just putting those values together, not performing addition. The reason is that the first value, 32, is a string, and the second, 4, is a number. In JavaScript, it takes the number 4, converts it to a string, and then combines it with 32, resulting in 324 as a string. If you want to check the type of this 324, you can use the type of operator, and it will tell you it's a string. But, if you aim to add both values together and get 36, you'll need to convert the number1 variable to a number. To do this, you can utilize the number method and enclose number1 in parentheses. This number function takes 32 foot from the string and then adds it to 4, resulting in 36. And the type of result 36 is the number. This is how you can convert a string to a number. Now, let's remove the single quotes from number1. With this change, both variables are now considered numbers. There's no need for the number method anymore. When we check the type of the result, it turns out to be a number. If you'd like to transform this number into a string, you can use the string function on the result. This process demonstrates how to convert a number type into a string. This manual change of types using functions such as parseInt, number, or string is known as type conversion. Now, let's delve into the concept of coercion. Coercion occurs when JavaScript automatically handles type conversion without the developer's action. This is often referred to as implicit type conversion. To grasp this better, let's explore an example. Begin by creating a variable named myname and assign a string to it. You can choose any string, like Henry. Using console log to display myname will naturally show Henry. To confirm the type of myname, you can employ the type of operator, and we're well aware that Henry is a string. Here's where it gets interesting. If you place an exclamation sign in front of myname, it will automatically transform the string into a Boolean. In this way, JavaScript can convert a string to a Boolean automatically. Now, let's explore what happens when we subtract the string 10 from the number 2. JavaScript automatically transforms the string 10 into a number and then subtracts it from 2. But what occurs if we use the plus sign? We know that the plus sign typically serves as a concatenation operator, meaning it combines two strings. In this case, it will treat the number 2 as a string, which is why we end up with 102. Now, if we decide to multiply two strings, JavaScript will once again step in and perform automatic type conversion, converting both strings into numbers and then multiplying them together. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.